The Report Manager is a library that houses all of ReadyData's standard reports. With Report Manager, you'll notice 3 tabs: Reports, Bundles, and Scheduler. As mentioned, the Reports tab houses all standard and published reports. These reports can be searched by name, description, or owner. For example, if I want to look up the Health Plan Snapshot, I can type it in, and all related reports will populate in the list. You can also bundle reports. For example, if I want to run the Claim Dashboard, Cost and Utilization Dashboard, and Breast Cancer Dashboard together, I can select them and click Create Bundle. Once selected, the Create Bundle window will appear. Here, I can name the bundle report or add a description if I prefer. I can drag and drop additional reports or remove any as needed. Once finished, I can click Save Bundle. Any bundle I create won't appear under Reports. Instead, it will be found under the Bundles tab and is searchable the same way. Now that we understand the Report Manager is a hub for all standard and published reports, and we've created a bundle, let's talk about how to run individual reports or bundles. The process is the same for both. Select the report or bundle and click Run in the top right corner. After clicking Run, you can change the name of the report or bundle, select population filters, set date ranges and basis, configure high-cost member options, and other settings. For example, you can update the name of the report and change the employer group to Jacobson Hospital Group. To add filters, select them from the Filter dropdown. For example, I select Age Group. Filters are not automatically applied. I must click on the plus icon to add it. Once I click the plus sign, I can specify, such as viewing members aged 45 to 49 years old. If no filters are added, the report or bundle will run on the entire book of business. Under the Date section, I can keep the basis as paid or change it to incurred. The lock icon works the same as before. If locked and set to September, the comparison is also automatically set to September. I can configure high-cost member settings. If toggled to No, then all members meeting the conditions regardless of cost are included in the report. To include or exclude only high-cost members, toggle to Yes and select a threshold. For example, we're telling the system to run this report for Jacobson Hospital Group. See members aged 40 to 49, but exclude anyone with a paid amount over $50,000. If set back to No, all qualifying members would be included. Next, we move into Report Settings. Choose the output format. Pick your export orientation, portrait, landscape, or default. Select your view, whether to blind PHI and whether to include a cover page. Then click Run. Once the report or bundle runs, it will appear under the Download tab. New reports are listed at the top and marked with a new status. You can download, delete, or edit the name and description from there. If you don't initially see the report, it may be queuing up at the bottom of the list. It will populate to the top once ready to be downloaded. After downloading, if the report is in PDF format, this is how it will appear. You'll see the report name and date ranges. The report itself shows the population at the top and the date range at the bottom.